Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today, what I'm going to do is share with you all the information that I have prior to the plan sale, which is this Friday, May 9th. Our shop will be 25% off. I spread myself a little bit thin over the last month, this month, and next month. I'm supposed to be in the UPS or Ultimate Planner sale next month as well, but I am thinking that I might have to drop out of that one because I don't know if I will be able to keep up, but I am in this one. So if you're interested in getting any of the things that I'm about to show you this Friday, May 9th through Sunday, the 11th, I believe, is the plan sale, or it might be goes through Monday. I don't remember. It'll be up. It'll be up on the website. There'll be a code available with the discount, which will be 25% off. I'll go over the freebies. I'll go over all the things that I have for you. And because when I did the Lily's Diner reveal video, I didn't have some of this stuff, so I wanted to just kind of quickly go over it with you to let you know that even though the subscription itself is not you can't use a code in order to get this because it's already very, very discounted. This entire thing is $27.50 a month. But there are only 9 left available. I believe there's 5 of the premium matte and 4 of the washi. So if it is something that you want, I just wanted to let you know that it does go out on the 23rd. It'll be gone. And what I decided to do this time with the leftovers, that if I have any kits that are left over, rather than just selling them as a whole, what I'm going to do is just put up the individual sheets that are available. So if you've already gotten this and there's something that you want, just kind of keep an eye out for that to happen. And it'll happen after the 23rd when this is no longer available as a subscription. So if I do have any of these left over, I will add them as individual sheets that you can pick up. So anyway, that being said, let's go over it really quick in case you didn't see the Lily's Diner. I'm not going to do the whole entire kit because I do have a complete and total video up showing you all of Lily's Diner. So if you haven't seen that one, head back and see the reveal video for this. But these are the things that weren't available when that video went up. So this is vellum number 1, which is just, I have it on the white background because it is vellum, but this is one whole vellum sheet that you get in the subscription, and then this is the second one. And I will be doing a plan with me pretty soon, and I will show you some of the ways that I like to use vellum in my planners. I am a big fan of ripping these because they are so colorful and so vibrant, and then double-sided taping them as collage elements on my pages. It is one of my favorite things to do. I love doing strips down the side on the monthlies where I don't plan on actually writing anything on a part of it or on the side of a page, but you will see that because we'll do a plan with me. But this is vellum number 2. And then the other stuff that I didn't have, which I don't need that anymore for, this is the kit itself. You guys already know that 17 pages long, plus those 2 vellum sheets, plus this little bag right here. So here's the freebie for this month. So this is in everybody's going to get one of these, but I will show it to you. This is just what comes in the subscription itself. Then these I didn't have when I showed you the reveal of the subscription. So here is soft touch card number 1 and soft touch card number 2. I only had pictures of them. So this one has the month of June on the back. And then these are your June headers, which also didn't have available, or the June vinyl sticker. So there's everything. So that was the stuff that is in the subscription itself. So I just wanted to kind of go over that really quick before I start getting into the other stuff. So that way you can see all the things together and you kind of know what they all go to. So for Lily's Diner, I now have all of the weekly kits available and the mini journaling kit. So this is the mini journaling kit, which all of the little mini kits come with the vinyl. So you get a vinyl. You get this page here, which these are strips. The journaling kits are available in both premium and washi paper. So these are the only ones that you can pick between premium and washi. Everything else is only on premium matte. But you've got all of these are strips. So you've got some thinner strips here. These ones are a little bit thicker up here, a little bit thicker strips up at the top. And then you've got some of the collage elements on this page here. So that's one page. Then in the mini kit, you're also getting the background pieces, all the paint splotches with all of the different overlays on them. You're getting the floral page, just all the individual kiss cut florals, and the washi page. So these are stripped washi. So this one is obviously, these ones are kiss cut, as well as these are kiss cut. So that is what this page is. So this is the mini journaling kit. So if you want this, rather than getting a full 17-page kit with all the extras, you can pick up a mini kit if that is, or if this is out. Like if I don't have any more in stock, you can always get the mini kit. So there's that one. Then we made a weeks kit. So this is kind of like little extras stuff, and I've changed up my weeks to include deco now instead of icons. So you will get some of the little deco pieces that are tiny enough, and some other stuff, and a couple of the collage pieces in here rather than what I had before. Then this hadn't changed. This is the same, but in each one of these boxes are now, instead of straight squares, they are organic edges. So you get that. And then this page is upside down. I also changed this section right here to where you're going to get even more like deco and layering pieces and some florals in there. So that is what the weeks kit looks like. So if you want that, that's that. Then we have the Hobonichi Cousin. So this is your A5, and this is what page 1 looks like. There are a few changes on here as well, where you get like an couple of organic edge, circle. You still get your weekend banner. These are strips right here. Then this page is your washies. I put some paint splotches in there rather than what was there before. So I did make some changes to these kits because this is the way I want them to be going forward. So pretty much every new set of artwork that I put out, and you'll see that over there when we go over the redo of the Stargazer artwork. So here is your page 3. This is a full-size box that's 1.3 inches wide, so it will fit. It's just a taller box. And then you have a lot more like deco stuff here, florals, and some of the smaller things, another paint splash, and some more of the washi. So that is what the A5 looks like, or Hobonichi Cousin kit. And then still have the standard vertical, but they're all going to 4-page kits. So here's your page 1. And this would be like double box size, and then these are like single box size, but some of them have like very organic edges. So this is more for like layering kind of thing. And then you've got a budget, a monthly, a flag up here at the top. Then you've got your date covers and your washi strips, a full box here, meal prep, important, laundry day, to-dos, and todays up here in that side. Then you've got some more page flags down here. These are all strips, so they're divider strips. Next week, some full boxes, a Monday through Sundays. So it's just a 4-page kit, which I feel like is, I've already talked about it before, so I won't go into too much detail, but I feel like this is a better option. It's less expensive. 8 pages was just too much, and people were just really basically saying that 8 pages is too much. We don't need that much, and I agree. So I turned it down. So all of the new kits going forward are going to be 4-page kits. You won't really see much in the way of anything larger unless it's an older kit. So here's the fun stuff. So we redid Stargazer. And let me pull out the washi version. There is a washi version. Like all of the journaling kits, you will have a washi version, but I will do the premium matte one so that I don't have to pull out the whiteboard. But these are 10-page kits. When I redo old artwork, I do them with the collage style, in the same style that I am doing all of the subscriptions in, and then replacing all of the old Stargazer kits with the new ones. So now when you go onto Etsy or Shopify and you go to pick these up, the new artwork is depicted on the pictures so that you know that this is what you're getting now instead of the old version. So page 1 is a full page sticker. This is one of my favorite kits, and I thought this was a perfect time of year for this because there is a lot of reasons to be outside at night now and looking up at the stars and just spending time with family, just having fun outside. So here is the full page sticker, which very organic. It's kiss cut all the way around, very organic, edgy. These ones are my favorite ones to use to start off a month, like your starter page, like put that and then put June, and then it's like a perfect opener. Then this page here has like a lot of different sizes on it. So, and they're all like organic type edges. So you've got all of the artwork that is brought into just different layering pieces that you can use throughout your journaling pages, or if you want to use this in your planner, you can still make these work in a planner. Then this one here has some of the collage pieces in it, along with your torn edge washi strips, some florals. Drew all new florals for this. Everything is just matches. It just matchy match perfect. So there's that one. Then your monthly page, so these are not specific to any month, so there is no month on it, but you have your 1 through 31. You've got a couple of strips of washi. You've got some smaller deco elements, some smaller florals. This month important appointment to do birthday and goals in here in the fancy script, which is what I use for all of my stuff now. Then you have another layering elements where you've got florals. This is a lot more florally, but you also have a big piece here in the middle, and then some of the smaller like little deco pieces. I tried to throw those in as individuals so that you could layer things on your own if you wanted to. And then here's another layering piece. These are strips that's thin and thick. And then that little satellite up there. And then again, some more, like this is a full overlay, so you could like stick it on top of something else if you wanted to overlay. Then you have a whole month's worth and a this month, next month of your days of the week. Then you've got this one here, which you've got some smaller versions of days of the week. You've got some numbers. I love having multiples of these on standby. I keep them in a special place over on my desk where I keep all of my date covers. And I do this because I primarily like to use undated planners. So these are perfect for me, and then they match the artwork. This is a full washi page. So the whole thing is just a washi sheet that you can rip it, cut it, do whatever it is that you want to do to it. But you can see here that it's on the clear backing washi sheet. And then this one is the strips. So you've got some bigger ones and some skinnier ones with this like really cool nighttime look to it. I actually used this recently in when I was doing, I don't think I have it here in front of me, but Onyx Storm, I had artwork for Onyx Storm, and I used these strips in there because it didn't come with anything like washi-wise or divider-wise, so I used these strips in it, and it worked perfectly. It was perfect. So this is the 10-page kit. This one is available in both shops, so either or, and they both are always linked below these videos, so you can go find these if you want them. Then, like I said, it's also in washi version. You can see here that this is all the washi tape, the washi paper version, washi tape. And then we have all of the kits themselves. So here we have the weeks. This is the weeks kit. And then your third page of the weeks kit. I know, you get a lot in the weeks. If you wanted to, you could totally stretch this out to go more than 1 week, because I was never able to make this work in just 1 week and actually have any place to write. I know I give you a lot. I know I do, but I don't know. I just love that format, and I love having all those options. So I haven't had any real reason to change it. So here's your A5, which I've already talked about this in the Lily's Diner. It's not any different here. It's basically exactly the same. You just get, these are the kinds of things that you get instead of icons. So now, here's what this one looks like. So there's your A5/Hobonichi Cousin, and then your standard vertical. This page makes my heart happy. I just love that page. And then these are your strips, your flags, all of your essentials, and then this page. So there's all of that. So now I'm just going to quickly kind of go over the freebies for the plan sale, just so that you know what to expect. So again, it's going to be, will be 25% off. I think there'll be a code. I usually try to put a code up on all of my social medias. So whichever social media that you follow me on, I will have a code up, whether it's Instagram or Facebook. I'll even try to put one up on TikTok if it's something that, if you follow me on TikTok, I don't really post on there very often, but I will try to put something up there as well. So, and it should be on the page, either on Shopify, it'll be in the header at the top, the code will be there, or if it's the Etsy shop, I'll have it in the banner. So you'll be able to easily find your code and use it during the sale. So let's go through all the goodies. So everybody freebies, let's just do the everybody freebies. So these are the everybody freebies, which you've already seen these, so you know what they look like. This on this side and that on that side. So these I ordered extras for the plan sale. So these and this is what is going to go out in every single order right there. Then if you spend $25 in the shop, you get this. This is your $25 freebie. Then this is your $45 freebie, and these all stack. So you'll, as you spend it, you'll get all of the tiers below it up to where you spend. And this is a washi sheet. It's a whole tearable, rippable, cuttable, however you want to do it, washi sheet. And then if you spend $75, you get all of this, plus you get the June headers, you get the vinyl sticker, and you get one of these. I had just brought a couple because they're different colors, but these are the, I'm going to keep giving these away at the $75 level to anybody who orders that much so that you can get them until I have run out of them, because I did buy, I bought a whole bunch of them, and they're just really cool. They're small, they're cute, you throw them in your bag, you take them with you on the go. They don't take up a lot of space, and I really just love the size of them. I just think they're super, super cute, and they're these cute pink colors. So that is everything that I have for you for the plan sale. Keep an eye out. There will probably be a couple of other things that I do for the plan sale that'll probably be related more towards some more of the icons getting done, just because you know that I'm reformatting all of the icons. I think that'll probably be it though. I don't think I'll do anything else because I literally have only got 4 days before the sale starts, and I am doing a candle sale this weekend in town. There's an event in town and I have a table there, so I'm kind of like like I said, I spread myself way too thin over these 3 months, last month, this month, and next month. So I'm not too sure about the UP Ultimate Planner sale yet. I did reach out to the owner of it, but she hasn't gotten back to me yet, so I don't know if I'm like committed. If I'm committed, I'll put up a code, but I probably won't do anything special for it. So anyways, thanks guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you are having a fantastic week, and I hope to see you this weekend. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I hate ending videos. I suck at it. Anyways, have a fantastic day. I will see you again in the next one. Bye.